Look, we have 3 pitches that we presented to CAF in the last inspection. We presented the Lubanza Sports Complex. We presented the National Stadium in Gaborone. We also presented the Francistown Sports Complex, where we ourselves have played a lot of our games recently. But as you would know, we have switched around in terms of the stadiums for those games. So any of the pitches is available for us. We should be announcing our next home game between the 3 pitches, so hopefully in the upcoming week. In terms of the stadium that will be available to ZIFA, I think the 3 stadiums are available once they are able to write and eventually give us their needs, and we would do the necessary inquiries and necessary requests for them, because we cannot preempt which stadium they would particularly want or ask for. But well, you obviously know that there's Francistown Stadium, which is closer to Bulawayo, at our northern side of the country, so it's closer to Zimbabwe border, and so by so saying, any of the stadiums